Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to observe the Venn diagram and how to answer the questions given below the Venn diagram. The questions are based on the Venn diagram. We need to write different sort of sets by observing at the given diagram. So for the sake of example, I am solving this question number 5 from practice set 1.4 of 9th standard Maharashtra State Board Mathematics 1, that is algebra subject. Here we are having a question as observe the given Venn diagram and answer the given questions. This is the Venn diagram given to you people. This is the universal set represented by capital U alphabet. S and T are the two elements, and we are having two sets here, namely A and B, and there are two elements which are common in both the sets A and B. So particular this part is nothing but the intersection of these two sets A and B. So from this given information we need to write these 6 questions, the answers of these 6 questions. So the very first one given to us is A. Now we have to write set A from this particular Venn diagram. So set A is having these elements X, Y, Z. Also we are going to write M and N also because they are part of set A also. Though they are part of set B also, but they are part of set A also. And that's why these two elements M and N are called as intersection elements because they are present in both the sets. So here while writing the set A, M and N, these both elements will be included. Now we have to write set B. Similarly, just how we have written set A, we need to write set B also. Set B is having these three elements P, Q, R, also M and N. Now we have to write A union B. Now union means the combination of all the elements of two sets. So whatever the elements which we can see inside the boundaries of these two sets, all the elements we are going to write as union of A and B. So A union B will be simply X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R. This is the answer for A union B. Now we have to write A complement. Now whenever we write A complement, that means elements which are not the part of set A, only those elements we have to write. Now set A is having these elements X, Y, Z, M, N. So apart from these elements, whatever the rest of the elements are present, that is P, Q, R, S and T, these elements we are going to write as a complement of set A because P, Q, R, S and T, these 5 elements are not the part of set A, and hence we are going to write these elements as a complement of set A. So A complement or simply A dash can be written as P, Q, R, S and T. Similarly, we have to write the complement of set B also, just the way in which we have written it for set A. Now B dash or B complement means the element which are other than set B. So these elements are X, Y, Z, S and T. X, Y, Z, S, T. And finally we are asked to write A union B and its complement. Now A union B means these elements we have already written X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R. The elements present in both the circles. We have to write their complement, means we have to neglect or we need to bypass these elements. So after neglecting all these elements of two sets, only two elements are remaining S and T, and that is the answer for A union B complement S comma T. So by this way you can solve the questions based on the Venn diagram if you have given any other Venn diagram. Just you have to make sure about complement and union and intersection operations. So many other operations can be asked under this particular question. I hope you have understood this video pretty well. Thank you.